Ever wondered how the water we flush down our toilets and drains ends up clean enough to be safely returned to the environment? Well, it's due to a fascinating process known as wastewater treatment. It all begins with a journey from homes, businesses, and industries to the local wastewater treatment plant. This journey is made possible through an intricate network of pipes and pump stations, collectively known as the sewage system. Upon arrival at the wastewater treatment plant, the water undergoes a series of scientifically designed processes. These processes are aimed at eliminating harmful substances and pathogens, ensuring the water is safe once again. The first step is known as preliminary treatment. It involves the removal of large objects and grit that could damage equipment or obstruct the process. Think of things like rags, plastic, and sand. These are separated from the water using screens, grit chambers, and sometimes even magnets for metallic objects. Next comes primary treatment. This stage involves the settling of solid waste material, often referred to as sludge. The sludge is separated from the water and sent to a different process for further treatment. The water, now relatively clear but still not safe, flows on to the next process. Secondary treatment is where things get a tad more complex. Here, the water is introduced to a carefully controlled environment teeming with bacteria and other microorganisms. These microorganisms feast on the remaining organic matter in the water, breaking it down into harmless byproducts. After secondary treatment, the water flows into settling tanks. Here, the microorganisms and their waste products clump together and settle at the bottom. This forms secondary sludge, which, like the primary sludge, is sent for further treatment. The final stage, known as tertiary treatment or disinfection, involves the use of chemicals, UV light, or other methods to kill any remaining pathogens. This ensures the water is safe enough to be returned to the environment, typically a local river or the sea. Now, what about the sludge? It undergoes its own process known as sludge treatment. This involves further breakdown by bacteria, followed by thickening and dewatering. The end product can be disposed of in landfills, incinerated, or even used as fertilizer. And there you have it, a journey from dirty to clean, from hazardous to safe. It's a cycle that ensures our waterways stay clean, our environment stays healthy, and we stay safe. The process of wastewater treatment, quite literally, turns waste into a resource. So, the next time you flush, remember the complex, crucial process that's set into motion. In summary, wastewater treatment involves preliminary treatment to remove large debris, primary treatment to settle solids, secondary treatment to break down organic matter, and tertiary treatment to disinfect the water. Parallel to this, sludge treatment processes the separated waste. The result? Clean, safe water that can be returned to the environment, and treated sludge that can be repurposed. An ingenious solution, wouldn't you agree?